So tonight, everybody is getting a half of a chicken. Except him. He's only getting a leg, part of a chicken butt, and some extra skin. He's got half the chicken. Here's the smartest dog right here. He lays down to eat. It's more convenient and it's better. He doesn't struggle so much. You think these guys would learn, but they like to stand and use their paws to rip it apart. But yeah, this is work. Tickle, no. You got to stay away from the other dogs eating. You had all yours. Yours was just minced up. Good boy, Baba. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, good. Good boy, Creed. Good boy. Let's see if we can take him. Yeah, what a sweet dog. Good boy. Good job. You're doing good, Train. Yeah, Bubba.